Chinese Federation, the President, well to the Fiji Chinese community, the President, Mr. I stand on behalf of government to thank you for your support and also for the contribution. It's heartening to note that people have donated from their own pockets, even children, to the cause that is before us, and for that we are truly grateful. As Mr. Wu has said, we have seemed to have won the first part of the battle, but it's not finished yet. And as long as this virus is rampant around the world, we have to make sure that our guards are lifted at all times and that we are always cautious moving forward as a nation. We are a small island development state. There are places and areas in which we have strength, but also we have vulnerabilities. And also, as we are aware, we recently had TC Herald that's come through the group. I would like to say that we've been able to get so far because everybody has played their part. We've had very strong leadership by the Honorable Prime Minister and my senior colleagues in Cabinet in the decisive decisions that have been made to protect this nation. And also all the government ministries that have been working hand in hand with us. As you know, with the lockdowns, we had the discipline forces enforcing the lockdowns, and also with quarantine contact tracing. We know that it's also been very bad weather. I've seen them standing out in the rain, apart from other government agencies that were working with us. Within 1 week, we were able to spread the story of COVID-19 to all the communities before our first case. And that was done, led by the commissioners in the divisions and the work that they've been doing in the rural areas. And the work continues even as we speak. So it's been going on ever since before March, and it's carrying on till now with the work around COVID-19 and also the climate-sensitive diseases of leptospirosis, typhoid, and dengue, and influenza-like illnesses that we want to make sure that we reduce so that we can continue to focus on COVID-19. One thing that's very important to us as a government is that we, for us, everybody is equal. And the best way to protect our families is to protect everyone. And that's one thing that we are very sure of, is that this is a nation that believes in the equality of everyone, and that we have to protect everyone the same, irrespective of where they come from, where they live, their socio-economic status. To us as a government, that's immaterial. The most important thing that we must protect everyone. And that has shown in the measles campaign. As you are aware, we had, I've told this morning, a total of 31 measles cases. We immunized 500,000 people in Fiji. When I say people in Fiji, this included those who are Fiji citizens, those who are not Fiji citizens. And we did it within 6 weeks and no one died. We had some children who were very, very sick. We admitted into intensive care and none died. And so far with the COVID-19, as you are aware, the statistics have shown that we've had 18 cases, 14 have become better, 4 still active cases, and so far we've had no one who have been very, very sick, and no one has died. And it's really because we have all worked collectively together. And the donation that's been given today is a continual sign to us as a government of the support that the nation has in the many areas within the nation, especially within the Chinese community, to the work that we continue to do with all the other stakeholders of government and all NGOs that are working hand in hand with us. So once again, we thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Say our thank yous to all those who have donated, even the children that have donated from their pocket money, from their lunch money or their money that they usually use to go to school, and their toys. We say thank you very much, and God bless you. And we ensure to you today that we will continue to put this nation at the forefront of what we do. We will work even harder. And our aim is throughout this whole COVID-19 battle that is before us, that we will make sure that this nation is as protected as it can be.